is the project for DevHack 2022. Here it was the project topic that was given was glass type prediction. In this we have imported NumPy, Panda, Seaborn, Matplotlib and scikit-learn packages. Here we are importing the dataset and seeing the dataset uh, values that are present in the dataset. After that we are pre-processing the data. Here we are finding the shape, the information of the dataset and also describing all the statistics from the dataset. Here we are seeing that there is no null values present and we are dropping the serial number column from the dataset. After that we are renaming the columns for the better understanding. After that we are seeing whether there are duplicated values present in the dataset. We have find out that there are one duplicated value and we have dropped that duplicated values. After that we are performing EDA. Here we are finding out the number of classes and the distribution of the classes that are present in the dataset. The types of that means the types of the classes that are present and how much they are present. Here we are finding the variance in the dataset, variance, how much the distribution is there in the overall in the dataset between all the values. And we are checking the skewness in the dataset. We can see that there are values that are positively skewed, negatively skewed, as well as moderately skewed, but okay. Then we are finding the regression plot between different types of values like refractive index with sodium and refractive index with magnesium. And then we are checking for the outliers in the dataset that are present using box plot. We are checking that there are some outliers, and now we are finding out the correlation matrix among the variables, and this is the correlation matrix. And after that we are now doing the feature transformation to remove the skewness and also to remove some of the outliers present in the dataset. For that we are performing square root transformation to remove the skewness and outliers on the dataset. After doing the square root transformation, we are seeing that the plots, that the values in the dataset have skewness have been removed by seeing the plot that they have become moderately skewed. From being a positively skewed to a negatively skewed, they have become normalized. And now we are implementing our models to perform on the dataset. For that we are performing logistic regression, random forest, XGBoost classifier and AdaBoost with random forest classifier. For logistic regression we are finding out a accuracy score of 67.4% and finding out the classification report and a confusion matrix. With random forest classifier we are getting 81.39% accuracy score and the classification report, or we are also finding out and a confusion matrix. We have also performed XGBoost classifier. We have got an accuracy of 69% and we have found out the classification report as well as the confusion matrix. And with AdaBoost with random forest classifier we have found out an accuracy of 79.06% and also find out the classification report and the confusion matrix. After that we are comparing our model with other models. So we have found out the random forest classifier with 81.39% have performed the best, so we will take that model for the prediction purposes. And now we have exported the model for the further predictions.